Hi, my dear friends. Today I'm going to talk about what LIC customer need to do in this COVID time. First of all, I congratulate all our LIC customers for having LIC policies. But in this COVID time, I urge you to do certain things if you are an LIC customer. Okay. If you are not an LIC customer, still just go through this video, you will learn a lot of knowledge. Okay, let's go to quickly to what a LIC customer need to do right now. 5 important things to do now. A. Pay premium online. Paying premium online facilitates you without venturing outside. You can pay the premium online. There are multiple options to pay online. We will see in the next slides how it can be. Number 2, take policy loan. You can take policy loans. You can use your policy loan for paying premium also, feature premium also. And then you can take the policy loan anywhere in India. I repeat, sitting at anywhere in India, you can take policy loans. Third, very important thing, you have to update your policy. Many of us take LIC policy and then put it in locker and forget about this. Dear friends, updating your policy details is very important. Number 4, check your insurance cover. You must have forgotten how much insurance you have taken, how many lakhs you have taken. You may be paying premium. Many of my customers, they say that yes, I have taken some Jeevan policy. They do not know even the name of policy, but premium they have kept on paying. What is the cover? What is the insurance accidental benefit? They do not know. So it is always to check your insurance cover. And finally, take health insurance cover. We will see one by one in detail. Pay premium online. My dear friends, as long as you pay the premium, your policy in force. The moment you stop paying premium, your policy becomes lapsed. So lapsed policy means what? Your policy is no longer in force. You are not covered for the policy which you have taken. Don't worry, there is always a grace period for it. But the grace period is only if you forget within 10 or 15 days. You just remember again and pay the premium. It is not that grace period forever. Grace period is only for very short duration. You should use it for very unavoidable situations only. But you have to keep paying the premium before the due date. If you pay the premium before the due date, what happens? You will be covered the total insurance for which you have taken, including the accident or any other rider. Remember friends, paying premium is like running between wickets. If you don't pay the premium, you get run out. Similarly, when you are not completing the run between wickets, you get run out. You have to pay the premium. So, nowadays, lockdown everywhere, partial lockdown, you are not able to go out, you can pay the premium sitting at home. There are different options. Number one thing, go to licindia.in. In this website, there is an option called Pay Premium. Pay Premium and Pay Direct. One is that you can register the policy through your internet, laptop or desktop and pay the premium. Second is that you can download LIC customer app. Nowadays, everything done on the go. Why not insurance premium? You can download the LIC customer app from Play Store and App Store. Download it, register your policy and pay the premium. How to register the policy? Very simple. I would say you are going to check your insurance cover, take out your policy bond or last premium paid receipt. Keep it alongside with you, and whatever the details being asked there, you just fill it up. One thing in mind, all you have to do is pay the premium. you have to enter the premium details correctly. Most of my customer complain they are not able to register in LIC customer app or in LIC India IN website only because they are entering the premium amount incorrectly. Incorrectly how? It is asking, first thing it will ask your policy number, date of birth, premium without GST. Many of us do not know your premium. When you are paying premium, you are paying GST also. So when you are entering the premium without GST, you should subtract the IGST and CGST amount. It's very difficult at times. That is why I am saying, go to your policy bond. It is always be net premium reflected there. Just you have to enter the premium. That's it. Otherwise, in your policy receipt, last premium paid receipt, you just see how much the premium is there. There is a breakup. IGST, CGSTs. Do not include it. Just enter it. And then you put your mobile number. You will get OTP. That's it. You can register your policy. Not only yours. All the family members' policy can be registered under one customer ID. Yes, under one customer ID. If you are a father or head of the family, you can enter not only your policy, all the members' policy. You can keep on writing the following the same procedure, like self, spouse, child 1, child 2, parent 1, parent 2. Like this. Not only that, the moment you just LIC customer app, you got empowered to control your policies. Why not? You can check your details of policies, not only yours, your family, nomination details, address, email ID, mobile number. You can check them, as well as few of the details you can also correct them. Third, you can also take loans from that policy. Premium paid certificate you can download, not just yours, the entire family members, consolidated one, here for any year, any financial year, you can download and take it. Oh, that's a good facility given by LIC of India. Please use it. LIC customer app. Okay, I don't have time to LIC customer app and download it and pay it. Okay, no issues. Next time you can do. But for paying premium, there is an option called LIC Pay Direct. You can go to the LIC Pay Direct app or in the website without registering any policy details as described earlier. You can just pay the premium as and when you want. So it is a very good option. Those who don't have time, most of us are working at home, are busy. So you can pay LIC Pay Direct. And then multiple payment option, credit card, debit card, UPI, NEFT transfer, everything can be done anywhere across the world using LIC customer app, website, and Pay Direct option. My dear friends, don't miss out to pay the premium. Please pay it online. Do not come to office. Do not risk yourself. Thank you. Let's go to the next slide. Policy loan. You know, all of us are facing some kind of financial crunch in this time. Yes, some kind of financial crunch. Someone may not be able to pay the premium. Someone need money to take care of the pay cut. Yes, in that situation, LIC policy comes in handy. If you got a LIC policy, you can always take loan. Remember, this policy you must have paid the premium at least for 2 years. Then your policy becomes paid up. So paid up policies are eligible for loan. How much loan? Depend upon the number of years paid. The more number of years, if you have paid the premium, more loan you can take. Lesser number of years, less loan you can take. You can take the loan to pay the premium also, future premium. How easy is it? Yes, I want cover, but I don't have money. LIC is there. Take the policy loan from your own money, pay the premium. Interest, simple interest. As long as you continue to pay the interest, that is half-yearly interest. Half-yearly interest you have to pay. Your interest will be calculated as simple interest, not as compounded interest. And then, very important thing, zero processing fee. If you go for any loan, there is a processing fee. Here, no processing fee. If you give the policy document, that will be processed, T plus 3 days. If it is online, it will take a week's time. Yes, you can apply policy loan online also. Only thing, you have to take the printout of PDF along with policy document, submit it to the nearest branch. We will send it to the required service branch. Your policy loan will be credited to your bank account sitting at home. And there is no collateral. If you want to take a loan, supposing for 10-15 years you have been paying policy, immediately you need money. If you take the loan of 4 or 5 lakhs rupees, anywhere outside, you must have collateral or mortgage. Here, nothing required. Your policy bond is as good as an asset. You will be submitting your policy bond to LIC office, that will be considered as collateral. And remember, even after taking loan, your risk cover will not come down. Your risk cover will be the same as promised in sum assured, plus all the riders, including bonus. Yes, suppose a person takes 10 lakhs policy, he keeps on paying for say for 10 years, he might be eligible for 4 or 5 lakhs rupees loan. He will take loan happily. Touch wood, something happens to him. Sum assured 10 lakhs, if it is accident benefit rider also will be paid. If it is equal that, another 10 lakhs, then whatever the bonus accrued for 10 years, that will also be paid. But whatever loan you have taken, that will be subtracted from the amount payable, then it will be paid. Yes, if you take loan, your risk cover will also be continued. It is a wonderful option, my dear friends. If you want money, you got a policy, that got paid up value, you can take loan anywhere in India. Okay, so you don't worry, LIC is with you in hard times. Let's go to the next slide. Update your policy. Yes, many of us take the LIC policy, keep it in locker and forget it, because you know that LIC is going to pay anyway. My dear friends, it's very important to update your policy, and I'm going to tell you one of the few important things about LIC policy updation. Nomination. Yes, generally LIC policy is taken for long duration of time, 10, 15, 20, 25 years. We must have been, our marital status should have got changed during this time, and some members of the family might have deceased or new members must have come. So in that case, you may want to change it nominee in your LIC policy. So at that time, if you have taken policy, now is the time, go and check your nomination on whose name you have done. If you wish to change the nominee or add nominee or delete the nominee, you can do it now. I hope it is available in the LIC customer app also. Secondly, there is a provision called successive nomination. What is successive nomination? Successive nomination is that in case nominee before receiving the policy monies expires, then if you have made a successive nominee, the second nominee, the nominee after nominee, he becomes a nominee and receives the money. In very simple layman terms, X and Y are husband, Z is child. So X expires before receiving the money, Y also unfortunately dies, then Z will receive the money. In case if you don't make successive nomination, then in this situation, legal heir will get the money. It is a cumbersome process, as you know. Better visit our office, make successive nomination if you wish. My dear friend, as of now, the successive nomination provision is not available online. You have to visit the office and get it done. It's a very important provision. Third is the bank account details. Yes, we all have a bank account details. We all keep changing the job and then the banks too. So in that case, bank account details might be required to change, because you may be having a money back policy. Your survival benefit will be automatically credited to your bank account if you got updated bank account. Otherwise, it will come back to us and then again cumbersome process. Please check your bank account details from your LIC customer app. Otherwise, if you want to change the bank account details, change it now. Third, address, phone or mobile number in email ID. Nowadays, most of your communication from LIC you receive by email or SMS. By mail, in olden days, you used to receive renewal premium reminders. Those things have been discontinued. Only you get SMS, alerts, and then email. And then in customer app also, you get an alert. So such things can be only be done if you update your email ID and phone number. Kindly don't update your email ID and phone number. Second, fourth, check your insurance cover. I know this slide is little bit visible because fonts are very small, but still I will explain. Ask yourself, what you have to ask? Is my insurance cover is adequate for me? Does it cover my expenses in case of my demise? Does it cover my income? Does it cover how long, even though if you receive a large chunk of money, supposing for 10 lakhs sum assured, if the family is getting, is it enough? It will cover probably 1 year. So, if there is a gap in your insurance, now is the time to top up and take new insurance, adequate insurance, I would say adequate insurance to your family. Why? Because we are in uncertain times. Corona peak. So we have to take, these are moral responsibility to take adequate insurance and cover our family. Friends, I would like to add one more important thing. Supposing the person gets infected by corona and then recovers, if he wants to take insurance, then the process is little bit cumbersome and bit of hazards, because LIC wants to undertake medical examination, chest x-ray, and then the physician report. Then it will get completed only after acceptance from our central office. Central office is located in Mumbai. Even if you want to take a minimum insurance of 1 lakh rupees, these processes have to be undertaken. But if you take, when you are alright, if you want to take policy now, the normal process will be undertaken. So it is always, prevention is better than cure. So we have to take insurance, adequate insurance when we are well. You should not wait for things to happen then take insurance. My humble request is that if you feel you don't have adequate insurance, now is the time to take insurance. It's a very serious thing. So take the insurance, adequate insurance as a responsible person, cover the family with adequate financial support. So this is what this slides is about. Then check your health insurance. My dear friends, nowadays health insurance is the top of the top. Everybody are calling health insurance company about the in case of admission in hospital, anything else. So there are few finer points I would like to highlight. So you have to check the adequacy of insurance. How much cover is being, many people corporate, those who are working in corporate world, in big companies, they say that we have got a cashless insurance. Is it enough to cover your family? Nowadays 3 or 5 lakhs rupees of insurance cashless is very much piecemeal. Family floater insurance with 5 lakh is nothing. It will just go off in a day or two given the pandemic situation. So don't think that even 3 or 5 lakhs rupees insurance, cashless insurance is adequate for you. You should always go for the corporate. And then check for how many hospitals it will cover. Most of the hospitals, you must have seen recent newspaper columns and all, IRDA insisting all the hospitals to get empaneled with insurance company. Many hospitals turn down insurance cashless. They want advance money because they get time lag. There is an insurance coverage from insurance company to them. There is a time lag for them. They don't want to lose out money in the time lag because they are also hard pressed. So many of the hospitals I know, they are not covering insurance, even though they are recognized NABH, well recognized hospital, but they are not taking the cashless insurance. Please go and check which are all the hospitals, talk to your TPA and then get to know which are all the hospitals covered and write it down. Third is that check for co-payment options. You know, many companies they have got co-payment options. So you must have taken policy for your senior citizens, parents, but not 100% cashless. For portion of amount you have to pay. There is an X company that has got a senior citizens corporate plan, red corporate plan, something like that. They have got a co-payment option. Co-payment option means you will be paying 30 to 40% of the expenses towards hospitalization from your pocket. Only 50 to 60% or 70% will be paid from the insurance company. Insurance company will not pay 100%, whatsoever it may be. Even in cashless, you will have to pay for the consumables. You have to check the co-payment options. Number 4, what are the comorbidities? Is there any comorbidity exclusions? Yes, you might be continuously in job, or you must have quit the job and joined the new company. In between, comorbidity would have happened. So there is a break in insurance. So then the comorbidity, they will take that, yes, when you are taking the policy, they will have to undergo medical examination, they will say comorbidity, so pre-existing diseases are not covered. I know that I am little bit faster in it, but in pre-existing diseases, even change of job, change of insurance company, this comorbidity comes into play. You have to be very, very careful while taking insurance, and then check your insurance, all these things are covered. To fill up all these gaps, LIC has got a plan, Jeevan Arogya. This Jeevan Arogya is a benefit plan. Whatever it happens, the benefit which you have chosen at the inception of policy, that will be paid. There is no connection between hospital and LIC. LIC has got a connection in Jeevan Arogya between the patient and then the insurance company. So if you get hospitalized for more than a day, you will be paid hospital cash benefit. It is I will say in a very short time, there is 4 benefits in this plan. Hospital cash benefit, major surgery procedure, major surgery benefit, and then daycare procedure benefit, other surgery benefit. You can choose from 1000 rupees to 4000 rupees in hospital cash benefit, depend on which all other benefits are linked. If you take the 4000 rupees hospital cash benefit, if you get admitted for 7 days, excluding first day, every day you will get 4000 rupees for hospitalization. For 7 days means 6 days, 6 into 4, 24,000 will be paid. In between, if there is any major surgery, 100 times of hospital cash benefit, that is 4 lakhs will be paid. 4 lakhs means there is a quick cash benefit of 50% advance payment also there. And then daycare procedure benefit. So in this major surgery benefit, 140 surgeries are included. Then the daycare procedure benefit, another 140 surgeries are included. It is 4 times of hospital cash benefit. That is, if you take 4,000, you will be getting. It is 5 times of hospital cash benefit. Beg your pardon. 5 times of hospital cash benefit. If you take 4,000 hospital cash benefit, then 20,000 will be paid. Then other surgery benefit, 2 times of hospital cash benefit. For more details, you can always contact me. So these are all the details I would like to share with you in this video in this pandemic time. Let me quickly summarize what are all the highlights of this video. 5 important things to do for an LIC customer. Number 1, pay premium online. Number 2, you can take policy loan. Number 3, update your policy. Number 4, check your insurance cover. Number 4, check your health insurance cover. If it is adequate, inadequate, both insurance, life insurance and health insurance, please do contact us. I am Prasad Vedigal, LIC Development Officer, Coimbatore, Avinashi Road branch. So thanks for watching video, friends, and I would request you to subscribe my channel, Business Lessons for You. Please do contact me if you got any doubt. 9944081942. You can WhatsApp me. Only WhatsApp is allowed. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. You can give your comments below.